right here, as you can see, this is the coolant for the engine. Over here is the windshield wiper fluid. Over here is the oil. And over here is the brake fluid. So now I'm going to be testing the oil. So you just pull this out. And you just look at the top. As you can see right now, it's full on oil. So then you just wipe this away. Put it back. Yeah, hold on. There you go. There you go. Okay, just one. Yeah, so this is the brake fluid right here. So as you can see, it makes a popping sound, which means that there's air inside.
Sealed.
Sealed. It's sealed. And you can see the fluid from underneath. Just go underneath. You can cook that up. Hello? This is coolant for the engine. So you can kind of see it right there, but we can't take the cover off right now because the engine is too hot. It's in the sun and it's just been driven. So we're just gonna keep it on.
Action.
Okay, so before lifting up the car, what you want to do is first loosen the screws on the tire.
The lugs.
The lugs. So now I'm going to be lifting up the car. Let's get up there, let's go. Hold it. Just hold it back in. Get the good angle.
You want to adjust kind of? Just slide that, slide it. Here, sure. Yeah, see how it's that's probably good. That's it. That's it for jacking. Action.
The next step is I'm going to be taking off all the lugs on the tire so that I can take the tire off.
Okay. Let's take it off.
Finished.
Action.
Now I'm going to be putting on the new tires.
Okay, put the lug on. You might have to jack it up. I think that. Yeah, jack it up. Okay, jack it again. Okay, put the lug on. I think the tires are only on there. You just reach it up. Okay, wait. Shit.
Next step is I'm going to be tightening the lugs on the tires. Clean up this stand and come down here. Now I'm going to be unscrewing this. So.
Okay.
Now.
Action.
So now I'm going to be using this. This is a torque wrench, and basically what I'm going to be doing is using this torque wrench to tighten the screws to 80 pounds of torque, just so it's on tight enough so nothing falls off. So I'm going to start on this side, right here. So right here, you can see the number 80, and I want to bring that just to that number. Sorry, it's right here.
That's it.
Fire new tire on.